Here I have OPPO A71 and let me show you how to reset app and app data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the additional settings. From additional settings, let's scroll down again and choose the backup and reset. Now select here factory data reset, and from the following options, let's choose erase all app and deletable apps right here. What's really important, data saved by the user will be kept, such as photos, music, etc. So let me accomplish that operation. Choose erase data, tap erase data again, and let's wait until this operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.